Do not worry. I will wash the car.
We will help too, Daddy.
Peppa and George have brought warm, soapy water.
First, you must use a sponge. Wash, wash, wash. George is washing the wheels. Oh dear. Silly, silly George.
To rinse the car, Daddy Pig uses the hose.
Stand back. I am an expert at using the hose.
But the water is not coming out.
That is strange.
Silly Daddy Pig.
Goodness me! The car looks clean, but you look very wet.
Yes, it was hard work, but I am an expert.
The car is very shiny and clean.
Everyone loves a clean car.
What shall we paint?
Here are some lovely colors for you to use.
Hoo-hoo!
Hooray!
I am going to paint a beautiful red flower.
Peppa paints a very nice flower. George is painting a green dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Oh, painting. I am an expert at painting.
Yes, let's see. Just the thing. Aha! Your picture needs a beautiful blue sky. He uses a lot of blue paint. Here we go. Swish, swish, swish. Daddy Pig is a very fast painter. Silly Daddy Pig.
Daddy, you painted your face!
Look at your masterpiece, Daddy Pig.
Blue is definitely my color. Everyone loves painting.
Here is the ball, George.
Ball!
Can I play too, Mummy?
Look, Peppa, a ball. Oh, George, thank you. Yay, a ball. Oink. Found it. Oh, goody.
want to play with the ball?
Yes, please.
Ball, ball.
Ready? Catch. Hooray! I got it! Good job, George. Boing. Oh. Let's go, George! Yes, Peppa! Faster!
Oh, dear.
Oh, bother!
Look out!
Why, my newspaper.
What's that?
Now look what you've done, Daddy Pig. All right, Peppa, here you go.
Thank you, Daddy.
Ball, ball, ball. Oh, no. Tee-hee. Oink, oink.
We're jumping in the muddy puddle. Muddy puddle jump.
Muddy puddle,